So this is our 2017 Hyundai Ioniq Electric, and we've had a new windscreen fitted. So this video is just about the demister or anti-fogging sensor that comes on the windscreens. So on the Ioniq you have an automatic demister function. So if the windscreen is getting fogged up, the air conditioning will automatically go onto the glass. And what we found was when this windscreen was changed, we've got it unplugged at the moment, but when it was changed, it was constantly going up onto the glass and we couldn't get any air out of any of the other vents because the glass function was taking priority and overriding any other settings. So even if you put it onto manual and had it onto your face like that, it was detecting the glass was fogged up and it was instantly going up the vents at the top, full speed, onto the glass all the time. So I went back to Autoglass because this windscreen was fitted by Autoglass in Oxford, and the chap there who fitted it phoned his tech support, and we got the laptop out and looked at the configuration of these and concluded that the sensor must be faulty and they would have to fit a new windscreen, which they did. Went back this weekend, fitted another windscreen, and exactly the same scenario. So he phoned his tech support again, and then they said, yes, it's a known issue with these. They have to order a Hyundai sensor, cut this one off the glass and glue the original Hyundai one back in, and then it will work. But his tech support guys, obviously the first people he spoke to, didn't know that. So he had to go through all the hassle of changing the windscreen, recalibrating the lane keep assist camera for no reason at all. So at the moment we've got this unplugged, waiting for this sensor to arrive, because if you plug that in, then the air conditioning, all the air will only go on the glass and won't go anywhere else in the car. So that's the purpose of this video really, just to highlight the issue. So if you've got a Hyundai Ioniq, in this case this is electric, but I'm sure it will affect the other hybrid models as well if they've got the extra anti-fogging sensor up there. So in this glass, as I said, is fitted by Autoglass, and it's a Solarshield shatterproof laminated windscreen. So clearly they have a problem with the compatibility of these with the Hyundai, which is a bit strange because obviously that glass must only be for the Hyundai Ioniq. But anyway, if you know any more about this, do write in the comments below.